Have you ever been somewhere that just felt right, like you were exactly where you were meant to be? That's what Florence was for me. The joy of walking its beautiful streets, admiring the architecture, experiencing the street performances, and tasting the food was indescribable. It was truly the perfect ending to my dream summer vacation in Italy. All right, we just made it to Florence. Look at babe, looking good. Hey. Y'all, we are starving right now, so we're gonna be very American and go to Hard Rock Cafe. I'm just a little pizza and pasta out, and that's okay. We did hear from some of the other people who we did the boat tour with in Positano that the food in Florence is actually really good and that they have more variety than they do kind of in some other places in Italy. Especially, we were told to go to a Florentine steakhouse as well too. We're definitely doing that. Okay, we're definitely doing that. So we'll probably do that tomorrow after our wine tour, which we're doing. Super excited to go to Tuscany. Okay, we just ate our American lunch. We were like, we need something different. It was okay, it was good, it did a job. It's really beautiful. This whole like little square is beautiful, and I'm gonna get a picture of Dante because he like, I want a little pic, okay? Dante's outfit is so cute. Look at his outfit. Where's the top from, baby?
H&M.
Pants from?
I don't know, I've had them for a while, I can tell you.
Shoes?
Nike outlet.
Okay. Glasses?
Who knows? Mall.
The mall.
Cumberland Mall, Atlanta, Georgia.
Got the photos, looking fired. Now we're going to Zara because I want to see what Zara's talking about. We didn't go to the Zara in Rome. I heard like Zara in Rome has like 4 levels. We didn't get a chance. We might be able to get a chance to see it when we go back to Rome, but we want to see what the Zara is talking about here in Florence. They have so many like luxury shops here. Louis Vuitton, Bottega, any designer you can think of, they have it. Not going those stores. But we're gonna go to Zara, just kind of see what they have and just kind of walk around. We also do want to do the photo booth, so you can literally look up like photo, F-O-T-O, on like your Google Maps on your phone, and they have like different ones throughout the city. So we're gonna go try to hit one of them. And I do want to find the wine wall, baby. They have like a wine wall, so we'll do that before we turn in for the night. But Florence is so cute. Y'all, I gotta show you the photo that we took. It's so cute. At first I was telling Dante, I'm like, these photos look so dark. But then we realized they're done in black and white. Here are the photos. They came out so cute. Yeah, they're done in black and white. I was like, wait a minute now. Look, you know, look, we black, so when you look, light it. But no, they came out super cute. It was only €2. So if you are in Florence, I think you can do it in Rome too. All you have to do is look up photo, F-O-T-O, and you'll find like little photo booths around the city. Florence or Rome. I think Rome has them too as well. But yeah, we're just walking around and we're probably gonna get gelato. This is like our nth time getting gelato. I mean, you have to, like, it's Italy. Like, are you kidding me? Just walking around and exploring and just looking around. The city is absolutely beautiful. Like the architecture, breathtaking. I'm so inspired. So just walking around and learning about all of the different buildings and history. So many like different statues. It's so much art around, like absolutely beautiful, just stunning, just breathtaking. So much art and history. next day. We are about to go on a little wine tour. Super excited. It's actually a Chianti safari wine tour, so I think we're gonna go off the road. So apparently it's gonna be really bumpy. I'm super excited for that. So anyway, just excited to go to Tuscany, go to the countryside, taste some wine, and I don't know, it's been my dream to like go to Tuscany, so I'm super excited to see like what the vibes are like, taste some wine, and just have a good time. So just wanted to check in with you guys. Last night we had a good time. We just was like vibing, as you guys saw, walking around, touring the city. Florence is so beautiful. I wish I would have done more time here. I definitely recommend at least like you need 2 full days, so probably like 3 days here, and we're only going to be here for like 1 full day, so I do regret doing that, but it is what it is. We did push back our train time because we were going to leave around like 10:30 and go back to Rome, because Rome is where we're flying out of, so I just wanted to be in Rome, stay in Rome that night, so we're not like missing our flight. But highly recommend doing at least 2 to 3 full days here. White, 2 reds. Really love the red wine. It's very good. Now we're about to have like a Tuscany lunch, and look at this view, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. They're moving the table right now because it's kind of like directly in the sun. So, but this is absolutely breathtaking. Like the video pictures just is not gonna do this justice at all. What?
You told me something new. It's just like.
Alright, homegirls, we're back from the wine tour. My camera was kind of acting up a little bit when we were on. What the world? Okay, we're back. Clearly I'm going through it. But anyway, my camera was kind of acting up a little bit on the wine tour. I was trying to fix you guys. For some reason it kept saying like busy. I was trying to delete videos on my SD card because it was getting a little full. For some reason my camera just was not cooperating as far as like when I was trying to delete the videos. But anyway, we're back in action. I had to come back in, just kind of shower, freshen up. It's about 5 right now in Florence, so we're gonna go out and just explore more. Again, like I said earlier in the vlog, I wish that we would have did more time in Florence because I feel like there's so much more to see in Florence than we're probably gonna be able to just experience. So, you know, we'll definitely be back at some point in time, but we're gonna try to just go see whatever we can see in this time that we're here. I need to do my edges really quick. And we're gonna touch up this makeup a little bit. But Dante and I were just talking about like the wine tour, and we had a really good time. We met some really cool people just like from around the world. One couple was from the Bay Area, another couple from India, another group was from Singapore. Like it was just so cool to meet other people like from around the world. And I don't know, I feel like when you travel, you really get to see or just really hear how other people are living. Not only see how other people are living when you're like in the actual country or city, but just really hear how other people are living as well too. It's just pretty cool. I think it's very, I don't know, travel is just very eye-opening, and it can just really inspire you in a lot of ways you just may not be aware of. I mean, we all like live in our own bubble and our own realities essentially, so it was just kind of cool to kind of just connect with other people outside of like what I feel like I would usually connect with, and just really learn more about them and their experiences. I just always find that very like neat. But we had a really good time. It was so cool just to learn about the wine. I learned a lot about wine. I've been on, I feel like, my fair share of wine tours, and I don't feel like I've ever learned that much about wine. Maybe I was just more attentive this time, I don't know. But as you guys can see, like, she really gave the history of like the wines, how it was actually made, from just kind of like the different types of barrels they use, why they use the different type of barrels. They were also using like different just like storage methods as well too. So like barrels, cement storage methods, stainless steel, even like the clay pots. But I've never like heard about wine being stored in clay pots. I think the winery that we went to, and even like in Italy in general, just like storing wine in clay, like, is just very, I guess, unique and just very specific to at least that region that we were in. And so I thought that was pretty cool just to learn about different storage methods. Like, I never knew, I know about barrels and things like that, especially for like red wine, because I think in the US we definitely, for instance, we have like American oak barrels, and like the red wine is very pungent, it's very strong, which I love red wine, but sometimes it is a little, it's a little too smoky, it's a little too much. Like the wine there, the red wine there in particular, was really, really good. And it's because they store it, actually, they said they were using American oak barrels and it was just a little too much for them, and they went back to French barrels, which I thought was like really interesting. But it was just really cool to learn more about just the wine itself. I didn't even know like wine, like the actual skin of the grape determines the color. So we learned about how the color, like how rosé gets its color, and it essentially, like, they use the skin of the grape to like let it ferment for like 5 hours, and then like red wine, for instance, they use the skin of a grape to let it ferment for like 7 days or something like that, so that's why it's red. So it's just really cool to like learn about like the fermentation process, the aging process. I may be like butchering this, I don't know, like between aging and fermentation, I don't know, I'm learning, okay? But all in all, you get what I'm saying, like it was pretty cool just to learn about it. I don't know, my big dream, like pie in the sky dream one day, other than home decor and all the things I love that you guys know about, is to one day maybe have like some type of like wine, which I think would be really, really cool. And so I don't know, learning about wine and all the things on this trip was pretty inspiring and cool, and we got to drink it. Like, who doesn't like drinking wine? I underestimated how beautiful Florence is, and I was like, oh, we only need a full day, like we're gonna do the wine tour, it'll be fine. It ain't really much in Florence. No, you need more than like a full day, maybe even 3, just to kind of really explore. It's absolutely beautiful, and I do feel like if you like to just like shop in general, you would really love Florence. Y'all, we just had the best meal. I got the steak, as you guys saw. Dante got, it's called amberjack fish, and it was a mix of like tuna and what, mahi. He tore it up, really yummy. My steak was really good. Honestly, the best meal we've had on this trip. The tomatoes also, like in Florence, the tomatoes everywhere in Italy are really good, but the tomatoes in Florence in particular, like super, super fresh, very good. We also tried like some like more yellow tomatoes, and they're a little bit more like sweet. So good. We love tomatoes, so we were very happy. We're about to go back to the hotel and chill out. And yeah, this is our last night here, but Florence is absolutely beautiful. We will be back at some point in time. I just love Florence, so I highly recommend coming here. I couldn't have asked for a more perfect summer in Italy. From Rome to Amalfi Coast and ending in Florence, it was everything I hoped for and more. This trip filled my cup in ways I can hardly describe, but most of all, it made me deeply grateful for the chance to travel and see the world. Now the only question is, where to next?